Hi, I'm Kristy and this is the Smexy Productions. Today we're going to be talking about the birds and the bees. Do you have a kid? Do you not want to tell them about sex? Just sit them down in front of the computer and I'll tell them everything. Hey there! Aw, you're a cutie. Do you know how you were born? Well, just think your daddy as a bee and your mommy as a bird. The bird is just minding her own business till the bee comes around, which is your deadbeat father, and stings her in the butt with his little stinger. And believe me, it is little. Your dad was in front of the computer screen earlier and I saw it. Anyway, somehow the bird gets pregnant with some birdie bee-like creature, which is you. And now every time after that, when the bee stings the bird in the butt, he dies a little bit inside, and that is why your daddy dies before your mommy. So next time you see your father, you might want to tell him to stop stinging your mother so much with his tiny little stinger, because he might soon break it off and die.
Have a nice day.